Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to discuss about multiplication of matrices. So here I'm taking two matrices as shown here. This is matrix 1. It consists of two rows and three columns. This is the order of the matrix 2 by 3. Second matrix consists of three rows and two columns. Order is 3 by 2. Here to perform the matrix multiplication, so here the number of columns in the first matrix must match with the number of rows in the second matrix. These three and these three must match. Then only we can perform the multiplication. So here that condition is satisfied. Then the resultant matrix will be of 2 by 2 order. So these are the number of rows, these are the number of columns. So 2 by 2 matrix we are going to get as resultant matrices. Okay. As we are storing these matrices inside the array, if these are the values of the rows and columns as shown here, I am storing just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the first matrix, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in this format in the second matrix is. So these are the addresses. The address of the first one is 0, 0, this is 0, 1, this is 0, 2. So something like that as shown here, we can indicate the address of each and every element inside the matrices. So this is the program. Here I am initializing the two matrices as integer values. Resultant also I am initializing as integer. So these I, j, k are the loop variables. So inside the first matrices, this is the order I am predefining. So that is 2 by 3. So here you can see two rows and three columns. So here declaration and initialization of two matrices is done at the same time. To save the time I am just doing like this. Then whatever value I am storing in matrix 1 and matrix 2 that I am displaying here, this particular loop is for displaying the matrix 1 in this format, this particular loop is for displaying the matrix 2. Now from this point onwards we are going to perform the multiplication of two matrices. So for that I am taking the first loop like this. So first for loop consists of variable I. So here I am going to get the resultant matrices will be of two rows. That's why here I am going for two values 0 and 1 I will get. So second loop with respect to here I am going to use third loop also with respect to variable k. What is the purpose of this? You can understand here with respect to three loops we are going to get the resultant matrices. So step by step we will see that. So when the control is somewhere here, the I value will be initially 0 that I am indicating here. So I value moves up to 0 and 1. When it is equal to 2, I value is equal to, then automatically this particular loop will terminate. Okay, because the resultant I value, the range is from 0 and 1 only. So that's why when it becomes 2, it will come out of the loop. That I will show when the control flows over these loops. Next, when the control comes here, j value will be initially 0. Okay, that I am indicating here. Okay, then the condition is satisfied and it will come to this third loop. Then automatically k equal to 0. Then the control comes here. So here this particular statement will give the resultant matrices. So here I am going to write resultant value of I and j is equal to, so plus equal to means it is just like a summing operation. So that I will explain. So mat1 from matrix 1 I am going to get I and k element and I will multiply that with k and j element of matrix 2. So here what is the value of I equal to 0, what is the value of k equal to 0. So that means from matrix 1 I am going to get 0 and 0 element. 0 and 0th element is this one. That one I am writing here, and you have to multiply that with in matrix 2 I have to take k and j. What is the value of k? 0. What is the value of j? 0. From matrix k, from matrix 2, 0 and 0 element I have to collect. This is matrix 2. 0 0 element means again 1 that I am writing here. That means 1 into 1 I am writing here initially. Next the control comes here, then automatically the control goes here, then k plus plus 1 will be performed. Initially k equal to 0, k plus plus means k equal to k plus 1, that is k equal to 0 plus 1 means 1. Okay, so 1 is less than 3, so it is true. Then the control comes again inside this loop. Okay, so now observe, whatever previous sum is there, whatever previous value is there, for that value now whatever product we are going to get, that we have to add. That's why this is the previous value. Now whatever value I am going to get, that I am adding here, plus and this product. So now what is the value of this is, from matrix 1 I equal to 0, k equal to 1. 0 and 1 means 2, that 2 I am writing here. From matrix 2, what is the value of k? K equal to 1, 1, j equal to 0, 1 0. From matrix to 1 0, 1 0 means 3, that I am writing here, 2 into 3. This I am adding to previous one. For that purpose only we are writing plus here. Okay, next control comes here, then again it will go to this particular condition. Now previously I value k equal to 1, now 1 plus 1 means k equal to 2, so 2 is less than 3 only, condition is true. Again if it goes inside this for loop, then plus, that means whatever previous value is there, for that again you have to add this value. So up to here this is the previous value, now I am again adding this new value, and that new product is matrix from matrix 1 I equal to 0, k equal to 2, from matrix 1 0 2. Okay, 0 2 is this 3 I am writing here, into matrix 2 k equal to 2 and j equal to 0, 2 0, 0 means this 5 that I am writing here. Okay, once the control comes here, then automatically the first value, what is the first value with respect to result? I equal to 0, j equal to 0, that means 0 0 element will be calculated, that is the sum of this all these three, so that is 22. Okay, next the control goes here. Now k equal to 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1 means 3, k equal to 3 means 3 less than 3 means condition is false. So 3 equal to 3 means true, 3 less than 3 means the condition is false. Condition is false means the control will not enter into the loop, it will come out of the loop, that means it will go to the outside loop. Somewhere here the control goes next. Now the j value will be improved from 0 to 1. J value is now increased as 1. So 1 is less than 2 only, condition is true. Then it will come somewhere here. Here again k value will be initialized, k equal to 0. 0 is less than 3 means true. Again the control goes here. Now observe, what is the I value? I equal to 0. What is the j value? J equal to 1. So I equal to 0, j equal to 1 means this particular element we are going to calculate now. This particular element. Okay. Here now observe, what is I value? 0. K value 0. 0 and 0. This one. Okay, 0 and 0 means this one. You have to multiply with k and j. What is the value of k 0, j 1, 0 1, k 1 this. Okay. Now we are going to multiply 1 and 2. That 1 and 2 we are multiplying here. This 1 and this 2 are multiplied now. Okay. Next, again the control goes here. Now k value will be increased from 0 to 1. 0 to 1. 1 less than 3, condition is true. The control comes somewhere here. Then observe, what is the I value? I 0. K 1. 0 1 means this value. Multiplied with matrix 2. K 1 and j 1, 1 1. This 4. Then this will be 2 into 4 that I am writing here. This I am adding to the previous value because of this plus operation. Okay. Next, control comes here. then it will go somewhere here. K value will be increased from 1 to 2. 2 is less than 3. 2 is less than 3 means condition is true. It will go inside the for loop. Now I value is 0, K value is 2, 0 2. From matrix 1, 0 to element, 0 to element is 3, that I am writing here, multiplied by, from second matrix, Kj, K value 2, J value 1, 2 1, 2 1 value, this 2 1 is 6, that I am writing here. Now the entire product will be 28, that is nothing but 0 1 element. Okay, the second element is calculated. Now again the control goes here. When the control goes somewhere here, now previously K value is 2, now K value will become 3. 3 is less than 3 means false, then automatically it will come out of this loop, it will go outside the loop. So outside loop means the outside loop is with respect to variable j. The control goes somewhere here. Here j equal to 1 previously. Now it will be increased to 2. Now j equal to 2. 2 less than 2 means here also the condition is false. So automatically this particular loop will not be executed. It will come out of this for loop also. It will go to this for loop. Okay. So here I equal to 0. So 0 plus 1 means I will become 1 now. Here I will become 1. 1 is less than 2 means condition is true. Then this particular loop will be executed with respect to I equal to 1. Okay, now the control comes here again. Now again j equal to 0. 0 is less than 2. Okay, the condition is true. It will come somewhere here. Now again K value is initialized as 0. 0 is less than 3. Then the condition is true. It will come somewhere here. Now observe the resultant value. Resultant is with respect to I and j. I equal to 1, j equal to 0 means 1 0 element. So this particular element we are going to calculate now. Okay. Now from matrix 1 ik element we have to select. Ik element means 1 0 element. 1 0 element is this 4 that I am writing here. Next from matrix 2 kj element. K value is 0, j value is 0. So from matrix to 0 0 element, that means this element 4 into 1 I am writing here. Okay, next the control comes here, then automatically K value will be increased from 0 to 1. 1 is less than 3, true, it will come somewhere here. Then now because of this plus symbol we have to add whatever product we are going to get, that we have to add to the previous value. Previous value is this. Now this value we have to add to the previous value. So what is the value in 1k ik? I is 1, k is 1, 1 1. 1 1 is 5. From matrix 1, 5 I am writing here. From matrix 2 kj, k1 and j value is 0. Okay, 1 0. 1 0 means 3. So 3 I am writing here. Okay. Next when the control comes here, automatically the k value will be increased from 1 to, this control goes here, k value will be increased to 2, 2 less than 3, again true, will come somewhere here. Now again add the new product to the previous one because of this plus symbol. Then from matrix 1, what is the I equal to 1, k equal to 2. Matrix 1, 1 2, 1 2 means 6. From matrix 2, 2 0. 2 0 means this 5, 6 into 5, that we are writing now. Then you just compute it and write it somewhere here, that is 49. Then again the control goes here. Now here it is k equal to 2, that will become 3. 3 means it is false, so false, that's why it is going to the outer loop. So in the outer loop, now previously k 0, j equal 0, now it will become 1. Okay, so 1 is less than, so from here to here the control moves. So j value is increased from 0 to 1. Now that you can notice here 0 to 1. 1 less than 2 means it is true, it will come into this inner loop. Again now k equal to, now 0. So 0 is less than 3, condition is true, it will come somewhere here. Now you see the resultant matrix here. So this is with respect to I equal to 1 and j equal to 1. 1 means this particular element we are going to compute now. This particular element we are going to compute now. From matrix 1, you take ik. Ik is 1 0. 1 0 means 4. 4 I am taking. From matrix 2, kj you take. So k value 0, j value 1. 0 1. 0 1 means this element that I am taking here. Okay. Next, control goes here, then comes here. Automatically k will be increased from 0 to 1. 1 is less than 3, condition is true. You can come back. So add the current product to the previous one because of this plus sign. That's what I am doing here. This is previous one, the current one I am adding to this. So matrix ik. I is 1, k is 1, 1 1. 1 1 means 5. 5 I am writing here. From matrix to kj. K is 1, j is 1, 1 1 again. That is 4 that I am writing here. Next. Now the control comes here. K value will be increased to 2. 2 is less than 3, condition is true. And come here. Then I equal to 1, k equal to 2, 1k. 1 2. 1 2 means 6. And into from matrix to k equal to 2, j equal to 1, 2 1. 2 1 means 6. 6 I am writing here. Now if you calculate this value, this will be around 64. Okay. Now again the control comes here. So k equal to 3 means 3 less than 3 means it is false. It is go to this particular outer loop. So here j value is now 2. 2 less than 2 means it is again false. Will come to this loop. So here here it is now 1. It will become 2 now. 2 less than 2 means this is also false. Then automatically the control comes out of this entire for loop. It will move to this place. From here onwards, you just print the results in this format using this for loop. I think this animated explanation gives a clear idea about matrix multiplication. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.